Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can open all the sites in a Chrome in a dark mode. When I say this, it means like if I want to open a YouTube, you, you can see here the YouTube has opened in a normal mode and there is no dark mode is available. Now we have to do some sort of a setting for this in the Chrome, and to do this you have to type here Chrome colon double forward slash and then flags. Press enter, and in the search flag you have to write here dark. So you can see auto dark mode for web content. At present the setting is showing as default. You have to enable it. So choose this enabled, and it will ask for relaunch in the bottom. Just click on the relaunch. You can see here the dark mode is now enabled, and if I go to YouTube, now you can see the YouTube is opening in the dark mode. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.